just told everyone about Grandly.
I'm so glad Grandly's gone.
I am too.
Hopefully she won't show up again.
Later that day, the trains were being really useful on the tracks while they were doing their work. Amtrak was being the best ever. Mr. Cakester spoke severely to Grandly.
You have not had a good week. You have damaged people's homes, smashed houses, derailed coaches, and you owe them an apology! You have caused confusion and delay!
I'm sorry, sir.
Late that night, Amtrak was being really useful on its routes. And we have come to the happy end of the story narrated by me. Things were back to normal and there was no more villain. And it's time for us all to go home, just like Amtrak.